Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting batch which is nothing but pricing method for Salesforce CPQ. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce CPQ specialist certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel to check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is get started with Salesforce CPQ for pricing. So guys, here we are just going to sign in to our new developer edition org. So as I have already done that, I will provide the video link in description. That is how you should exactly follow. So after registering it with this link, just click on this and open it in new tab and fill out all the details whatever is given right over here. So once if it is done, if you click on sign me up, you will get mail in your registered email ID. Here you have to give your mail ID. So once if it is done, you just need to click on connect org, which you can do it by clicking on this 3 dots next to your playground name and followed by connect org. So once if it is done, you need to click on allow, save it, and here probably you will be changing your password. You need to enter your username along with password. So as I have already done that step, I'm just gonna click on check challenge directly. So yeah guys, this is how you can successfully complete your first challenge. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.